Alright, so I want to do an unboxing video of this Strawbees Coding Robotics kit, just in case other educators were interested in adding this to their program. So first thing I noticed is that you can make a game controller, a robot, or an instrument, and I know that Strawbees soon is going to have some kind of music instrument creating competition. So I'm excited about thinking about making an instrument out of this, because I saw someone recently make a similar instrument where they're like playing pieces of a watermelon. So I'm already thinking about that. I see like the connectors here. It has 300 pieces, ages 10 up, so I serve 4th graders, so I'm just thinking about serving my 4th graders, and it's well suited for them. They're about that age, 9 or 10, sometimes a little older. So you can see the different connectors, 200 straws, one single-sided connector, 64 single-sided connectors, 16 of the 2 connectors, 16 of the 3-sided connectors, and then 4 of the 5-sided ones, and then some robotic components and some fun little like character like feet, eyes, and things to decorate with. And then on the back here, turn this around, they've got all the components listed here. So you've got some great LEDs, 10 of them, and a light sensor, and some alligator clips, some servo motors, eye stickers, an electronic Strawbee. I want to learn about what that is. Servo backpack, the Quirkbot, on those different character elements, and then you can see like some of the different things that you can make. Here's one project, but I'm sure there's much more. There's the 3 ways to code for our computer science folks or STEAM folks. They've got flow-based coding, and also with the Quirkbot code, and then block-based coding, Scratch, and then even some text-based coding for some more advanced coders. So that's cool. And Strawbees is all about encouraging students to be and cultivating our future inventors. That's pretty neat. Invention literacy. So let's open it up. Whoa, okay, so we got a guide here for our Quirkbot on how to assemble the servo arm, connect the in charge, program the Quirkbot, and the servo mount here, and how to add the servo mount to the straws, how to connect the Quirkbot to the servo, and how to connect the connectors to the straws, LED lights, all kinds of stuff. So great little guide there to help you out, and see it's connected to the box so I won't lose it. I lose things sometimes. Whoa, all right, there's our fun eye stickers. And hey, all of our construction pipes. And I learned from other Strawbees that I got this summer with my students, the grant, that you can measure and cut them to different lengths. So you can have, and they have a guide for cutting those straws. Some kits now I think have pre-cut straws. You don't have to do that, but I don't mind. Kind of like it's like a fun STEM challenge. So they got a little guide booklet here, where again you see all your different parts listed here. You get a little screwdriver to help you out, and a USB cable, and all those other ones I listed earlier. Lots of stuff packed into this kit. And they've got some, let's say they have some different robot challenges, and then they even though Strawbees encourage like open-ended building, they have some things to get you started with the servo arm, and with mounting the servo, circuit touches, let's see, different little robot figures, like character figures. I love these like for like social emotional learning, these like expressive looking robots. And banana crane. That sounds fun. Cranky Bat, Afraid of the Dark Pig, Friend Bot, Blinking Star. That's the one I want to make first. Musical instrument, that one too. And game controller, Glowing Jellyfish. This is just amazing. Cool. So much goodness. Can't wait to try this. Banana Crane, Friend Bot. Oh, wow. We've got some fun stuff to do here at home and at school. We can get everybody back into the building when it's safe. So here we go. You can see the connectors there. These aren't colored. Sometimes you see them colored, but they still work the same. And here's our characters. Things with the feet and the eyes. That looks fun. I want to make some expressive robots with webbed feet or some cool shoes there. So you can see here, Quirkbots, servo pack, the alligator clips and the USB cable and the servo motor. And there's something in here, I think. I don't know. Let me try to get in here first. It's kind of hard to like hold the iPad and use the other hand to open up stuff. I haven't done this. Usually I have someone else that records them for me. Neat. This is to connect your servo motor. There's the screwdriver and servo mounts. So I'm excited about learning about this friend here, this Quirkbot, and see the little ways to connect the alligator clips to it. I think that's like the CPU there. I guess I'll be learning about, and then all the different parts of this little robot friend. There's the connect the micro USB. Here's the other side. Much to learn. It looks like everything has this nice little place you can put it back in so it doesn't slide around. There's the little electronic Strawbee. Looks like a little key. But yeah, everything has a nice place to be stored in, and then you can close it back away, and so it's easy to put stuff back. I like that because I am disorganized, so organization is good for me, so I can put those things back in there nicely and easily close my top, and this can close back down. I could close it easier if I hadn't had both hands, but really exciting. This is the Strawbees Coding and Robotics kit, and I can't wait to make stuff with it. 3 ways to code, lots of things you can make. They've got instructions. It's also great for open-ended creative inventing. So check this out. I'll post some stuff on my Steam Tech Sam site so you can see some ideas. So check back into that. Cool robotics kit, Strawbees Coding Robotics kit with the Quirkbot. They also have a microbit add-on coming that's actually available now. It was on pre-order, so ordered that as well. So we're going to do lots of robotics with Strawbees. Yay!